Sintra AI offers multiple AI bots, each specializing in different areas. First up, there's Cassie, your customer support AI. This one handles customer inquiries, responds to messages, and even automates replies. Basically, a 24/7 support agent that never takes a break. Then you've got Xiaomi, the SEO expert. If you run a blog or a website, this AI can optimize it for better search rankings. Just enter your URL, and it'll give you keyword suggestions, meta descriptions, and improvements to boost your visibility. Next is Pen, the copywriting assistant. Need an ad for Facebook? A blog post? Maybe a marketing email? Pen can generate high-quality copy in seconds. This one's actually pretty powerful for freelancers and marketers. Then there's Comet, your sales AI. This one helps with lead generation and conversions, making it easier to find potential clients and close deals. If you struggle with organizing your work, the executive assistant is here to help. It schedules meetings, manages emails, and keeps everything on track, like a personal secretary, but without the salary. For content creators, the social media manager is a lifesaver. It can automate posts, schedule content, even engage with comments. If you're running an Instagram or TikTok page, this one saves a lot of time. And finally, there's the recruitment specialist, perfect if you're hiring. It finds candidates, screens potential hires, and streamlines the whole recruitment process. So, basically, whatever task you need help with, Sintra AI has an assistant for it. Now let's actually put it to the test and see what it can do. Each of these AI tools function like an employee, but instead of paying monthly salaries, you pay a subscription fee. Now, that sounds great and all, but is it actually useful? Let's test it out. So, let's get straight into it. First things first, you need to sign up. Head over to the Sintra AI website, and you'll see that you have two main options. You can either get one AI assistant for $39 per month, or you can unlock all of them for $97 per month. Now, I know what you're thinking. $97 a month? That's a lot. But here's the thing. If you use this tool right, it can actually pay for itself. And the best part, you get a 14-day money-back guarantee. So if you try it out, and it's not for you, you can get a refund. No harm done. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the dashboard. This is where magic happens. The first thing you'll notice is that there are a bunch of AI assistants available, each specialized in different tasks. You've got customer support AI, business partner AI, an email marketer, a data analyst, a recruiting specialist, an executive assistant, and even a social media manager. Each of these assistants is designed to take over a specific role in your business or workflow. But the real question is, how well do they actually work? Let's start with copywriting. Say you want to make money selling ad copy on Fiverr, or maybe you run your own business and need high converting sales pages. Sintra AI has an assistant called Pen that specializes in writing. So let's test it out. I'll give it a simple task. Write a Facebook ad for a pet GPS collar. Within seconds, Pen generates a professional, engaging ad copy. Something like, "Hey dog lovers, ever worried about your pup wandering off? We've got just the thing for you. Introducing our GPS dog collar, where safety meets style." And just like that, you have a solid ad copy that you can sell for $20, $30, or even $50 on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can even start your own agency and scale this business. But copywriting is just the beginning. One of the most powerful AI assistants on Sintra is Xiaomi, the SEO specialist. If you run a blog, a website, or do any kind of online marketing, you know how important SEO is. Xiaomi can optimize your content, suggest high-ranking keywords, generate meta descriptions, and even analyze your competition. All you have to do is enter a URL, and within seconds, Xiaomi gives you a full report on what you need to improve to rank higher on Google. Now imagine offering this as a service. SEO agencies charge anywhere from $100 to $500 for an SEO audit. And you can do the same using Xiaomi with almost zero effort. Next up, let's talk about social media automation. Managing social media accounts can be super time consuming, but Sintra has an AI assistant that can handle that for you. It can schedule posts, generate captions, and even create content based on trending topics. Let's say you run an Instagram page for a client. Instead of spending hours brainstorming content ideas and writing captions, you can simply use the Social Media Manager AI to automate everything. You input a few keywords, and within seconds, it generates a full content calendar for the next month. That means less time spent on social media and more time focusing on actually growing your business. Now, what about customer support? If you run an e-commerce store, a coaching business, or any service-based company, you know how overwhelming it can be to respond to every customer inquiry. But with Sintra AI, you can have a fully automated AI-powered chatbot that answers customer questions, processes refunds, and even helps with order tracking. That alone can save you hours of work every single week. And here's where it gets really interesting. Sintra AI also has an executive assistant AI that helps you manage your tasks, schedule meetings, and keep you organized. It's like having a personal assistant, but without the huge salary. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or just someone trying to be more productive, this AI can help streamline your workflow and keep you on top of everything. But let's be real for a second. What's the catch? Because nothing this good comes without a downside, right? Well, here's the thing. Sintra AI isn't free. And if you want to use multiple AI assistants, the cost adds up. But if you're serious about using AI to make money, you can easily cover this cost by getting just 1 or 2 clients a month. And as I mentioned earlier, you can always get your money back within 14 days if it doesn't work